163 days ago, another war started. Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Monday, March the 18th, 2024, we have not so good news. We have only 3 regular puzzles: the 3 Star Sudoku, the 4 Star Sudoku, and the binary. There is no extra. There are no extra puzzles in this. Newspaper, no additional. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Yeah, the weekend edition we have five puzzles left, 2 in the puzzle page and 1 in the 3 in the additional. And yeah, the news of today. Well, I've told you earlier, 163 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas. And the war is still going on, yes, still going on, not finished, no ceasefire, so all those civilians are starving. Anyway, let's go back to the puzzles. This will be number 8211. 8211. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Usually 26 printed digits. It's a 2 stars puzzle. If you compare it with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Alright? Is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about? These 4 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have 3 and a 6 in this big square, so no 3 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 6, and that box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. And now, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and 2. We have 1 and 2 in the last column, so no 1 and 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. And now, 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. Okay, and now, let me see. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. 4 we have in this second column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing, and I made a mistake. Double 6 here. Not 4 and a 6. Should be 4 and a 7. Made a mistake. So these 2 should be 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. No 1 goes there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6 and 7 is missing, 4, 5, 7. Yeah. Okay, 4, 5, 7. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3. Now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place left for 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6, okay. Then. Need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. Need a 8 here. 9. Need a 9 here. Well, in this column we need a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left and 2 in this column should be there. So 1 box left in this big square should be 1. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. That means the other 2.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No,
I'm directing your show.
The other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7. Yeah, we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay, 4, 5, 7. Need a 7 here. Then, let me think. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Alright. 4, 4. 1, 1. 3, 3. Come on. 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. 1, 3, need a 5 here. Yeah. In the second row, we need a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here or there in the second row. Here or there, we see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So those 2 missing numbers should be the 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. Okay. 4 and the 7. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes. And there, 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 7. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. Here 1 and the 3 are left in the second row. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for number 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this mid row for number 1. The 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for 9 should be there. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. The 2 is missing, and the last 2 numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 5 goes there. Finish in for 11 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Yeah, let me give this a 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. The 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.